Hi everybody, welcome to another update. Gold has been very strong lately. It's currently sitting at this resistance. If this blasts through 5,100, then we are going to the moon. Okay? I have been talking about 10,000 gold by the end of this year. And that's because we are just following this parabola. The premiums here, these are the China gold premiums, are still above zero. And this curve actually follows this premium higher and higher. You would expect the premium to go down like this, like in 2020, but that's not happening. The premium in China stays above zero this time. So this parabola is just going to continue going higher and higher and higher. We're currently already at 5,100. And by the end of the year, it's 10,000. So I'm going to buy a gold miner. And the best one currently is Jaguar Mining. So Jaguar Mining is going to restart their MTL complex this year, going to 80,000 production, then 100 growing to 130,000. So keep that number in mind, 130,000 in a few years from now. I think Jaguar Mining has lagged a bit because everyone is waiting for the approval. There is still one approval waiting, and that is the emergency environmental permit. That could come in a few weeks, and if that approval comes, then I expect a pop higher in the share price. So 130,000 production in the coming years. They think they can get to 5 million ounces resources. So that's easily 20-year mine life. Okay. So with this 20-year mine life and 130,000 ounces production per year, what is the upside currently? So I have my NPV flow chart here. We are in 2026, let's say 70,000 ounces, all-in sustaining costs below 2,000. PE ratio is 5 currently, okay, for this year. But as production starts to grow to the 130,000, then the PE ratio is going below 2, which is extremely cheap. So this is a growth stock, one of the best for gold. So the current upside with 20-year mine life is about, let's say, 500 million going to 2 billion. That's a 4x right now. 4x upside. And this is discount rate 10%. However, if we actually get to 10,000 gold, that's very much possible. Let's say this year we go to maybe 6,000. Okay, 6,000. And then here we go to, let's say, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 in 2030. We could actually hit 10,000 next year already, but let's say 10,000 in 2030. And we just do like this, because it's going to be 10,000 forever, or even higher. Could even go to 17,000, as Pierre Lassonde says. That's his target, 17,250. But let's keep it at 10,000. For the next 20 years, you get a PE ratio of close to 0.5, half a PE ratio. What is the upside now? And this is where the leverage comes in with Jaguar Mining. So we go from 500 million to 5 billion. Okay? 500 million to 5 billion. That's a 10x for Jaguar Mining. You have the opportunity right now to buy a 10 bagger. Okay? right now, before the approval is given, because everyone is afraid that there won't be an approval, so they are not buying it. But you can buy it right now because you are not afraid. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.